introductory video for Improvers Solo Salsa Routine number 10, and this was taught on Thursday the 10th of September. It was only a few days ago, I had to check on the list. Thursday the 10th of September 2020. Again, it's just a short summary from the full 90-minute class, which has lots of other things. So if you're looking in the playlist, look for Improvers Solo Salsa. It'll be in the 2020 to 2021 school year, so there's a video list for that particular year, and it is Improvers Solo Salsa, and it was week 2 of the 8-week course, 10th of September 2020. You can type that in 10.09.20 and you should be able to find that in the search bar. Short summary, a couple of times through to the music. Let me get on. Basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Diamond step with a 180 turn. 1, 2, 3. Land on 5. Cumbia step, 6, 7. First bar done. Little Cuban taps, rotating to my left so I face the front. Left, tap, right, tap, 4 counts. I then do a lock-in step forwards, 5, 6, 7, and a tap on 8. Let's do those 2 bars together. Diamond step first. 1, 2, 3. Hold in the air for 4. Land on 5, 6, 7. Cross behind. Left, tap, right, tap, lock, 6, 7, tap on 8. Next bars, a bow tie on different timing. We normally go 1, 2, 3. So we normally do this, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do an extra tap on the 1, and we're going to start the bow tie on the 2 and on the right foot. So it looks like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a little tap first, and then a bow tie on the 2, 3, 4 and the 6, 7, 8. A little bit more like being on 2, sort of a comparison. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in reality with the music, there's no pauses, there's no hesitation. Every single count. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No time to think. Okay, so bow ties with the extra taps. We move on. Right foot is available. I finished here with that last bow tie. Susie Q your right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, I tap. Half grapevine this way with a little tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do those 2 bars together. So the bow tie with the extra taps, and then the Susie Q and the grapevine. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once more. Finished here. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next bar. Kickball change right foot, left corner. 1, 2, 3. Bring the legs together in on 4, 5, 6, 7. Little pachanga bounce and a twist. Yes? Starting on 4. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that from the kickball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's fast, yes? Not much time. Right spin, left spin. Prep and go. Prep and go. Just a single spin, 3 counts for each one. Opening your side basic with a little bit more rumba step. Rum and down and open and down. Remember we were throwing the baby. Yes, a little bit more throw the baby. Bring the baby back. Yes? So just a little bit of emphasis on the styling. Let's do the whole thing from the top. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, ball, change, bounce, 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 bounce. Spin, collect, spin, collect, rumba, collect, rumba, collect. Wow, let's do it with the music.